Do you frequently suffer from skin rashes? Are you tired of expensive creams and ointments that often fail to deliver on their promises? If so, this video is your savior. We're about to explore 15 home remedies to tackle those pesky rashes with a surprising bonus treatment that will leave you astounded. So sit back, grab your notepad, and get ready to win your battle against skin rashes. 1. Oatmeal bath. Remember those cozy winter mornings when you enjoyed a bowl of warm oatmeal? Little did you know, this breakfast staple can be a soothing remedy for skin rashes. Oatmeal contains avenanthramides that reduce inflammation and itchiness, providing immediate relief. Imagine soaking in a comforting oatmeal bath, your skin thanking you for the soothing respite. 2. Cold compress. Think back to when you used a cold pack for a sprained ankle. The same principle applies here. A cold compress can reduce inflammation and numb the skin, providing immediate relief from itching and burning sensations. It's as simple as wrapping ice cubes in a cloth and applying it to the affected area. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is not just for delicious tropical dishes or luscious hair. It's also a potent remedy for skin rashes. With its exceptional moisturizing properties and lauric acid content, it can soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, and fight bacteria. 4. Aloe vera. Picture yourself in a sun-soaked desert, where the miraculous aloe vera plant thrives. It's no surprise that aloe vera, with its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, can soothe and heal rashes. It's like giving your skin a refreshing, healing drink. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar isn't just for salads or detox drinks. It's a potent home remedy for rashes. Its acetic acid content can help fight skin infections, while its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the skin. Remember to dilute it with water to avoid any skin irritation. 6. Baking soda. Baking soda, your trusty kitchen staple, can also come to your rescue for skin rashes. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the skin, while its ability to neutralize acids helps to maintain the skin's pH balance. Just imagine the relief as you apply a baking soda paste to your rash. 7. Chamomile. Recall the calming effect of a cup of chamomile tea. Similarly, chamomile, with its anti-irritant and anti-inflammatory properties, can provide a soothing relief for rashes, whether in the form of a tea rinse or essential oil. Chamomile is a gentle yet effective remedy. 8. Neem. Picture the neem tree, a cornerstone of traditional Indian medicine. Neem leaves, with their antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, can provide quick relief from skin rashes. It's like harnessing the power of centuries-old wisdom for your skin's health. 9. Witch hazel. Witch hazel isn't just a fascinating plant name, it's also an effective remedy for skin rashes. Its astringent properties can soothe inflamed skin and speed up healing. Imagine the relief as the cool witch hazel extract gently calms your rash. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil, the heart of Mediterranean cuisine, is also a fantastic remedy for skin rashes. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, it promotes skin healing and reduces inflammation. Imagine your skin bathing in the soothing care of this liquid gold. 11. Honey. Picture honeybees busily collecting nectar. The honey they produce has exceptional healing properties. Honey, with its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, can soothe the rashes and speed up the healing process. Just envision the sweet relief as you apply this golden elixir to your irritated skin. 12. Tea tree oil. Imagine the lush tea tree forests of Australia, where this powerful essential oil originates. Its antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent remedy for skin rashes. Just remember to dilute it before application to avoid any skin irritation. 13. Epsom salt. Epsom salt, a common bath additive, can do wonders for your skin rashes. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce swelling and itching. Picture yourself soaking in an Epsom salt bath, the skin irritation melting away with the salt. 14. Turmeric. Envision a vibrant turmeric field in India. This golden spice, rich in curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help alleviate skin rashes. Imagine your skin glowing as you apply a soothing turmeric paste. 15. Calendula. Picture a field of blooming calendula flowers. Calendula, with its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, can soothe and heal skin rashes. Imagine the comfort as you apply calendula lotion to your inflamed skin. 16. Diet change. What if I told you that the solution to your skin rashes might be on your plate? Certain foods can trigger inflammation and allergies, leading to skin rashes. By identifying and eliminating these triggers, you could significantly reduce your rash outbreaks. Potential drawbacks. While these remedies are effective and safe for most people, they might not work for everyone. Some individuals might be allergic to certain ingredients like neem, tea tree oil, or chamomile. It's always best to do a patch test before using these remedies on larger skin areas. Always consult with a healthcare professional if your symptoms persist or worsen. So there you have it, 15 powerful home remedies and a bonus tip to tackle skin rashes. By exploring these natural treatments, you'll be well equipped to soothe your irritated skin. Remember, your skin is unique, and what works for one person might not work for you. So don't be afraid to experiment and see what your skin responds to best. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. We'd love to hear about your experiences with these remedies, so please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.